Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be walking through my July subscription to the Simply Gilded box. This month's theme is the Enchanted Forest and it's got rose gold. It is really difficult to photograph this box without getting a glare. I just wanted to say that. So, but it's gorgeous. I love the colors, the blues and the purples. It's just amazing. So I took out all of the stuff already. So the first thing is always this like little menu card. And so this is what is in the box this month. And I just love the colors. So the first thing is there's always a foiled journaling card and it says stay enchanted. It's kind of hard to see, but there we go. And the foiling on it is also gorgeous. Like, I think just be warned, I will be saying gorgeous a lot in this video because the foiling is truly gorgeous. And then just like always, blank on the back. And then I'm going to save the washies until last. But the next thing that's on the menu card is the pouch. And of course, the washies are in the pouch, so I'm pulling out. And so it's got it's a shaker pouch. It's kind of hard to show because it is like a holographic pouch, but it's got like butterflies or moths, I think it is. And then, and those are like clear, and then there's some blue leaves. And then the stars are blue and rose gold. And the shaker is only on one side. And then the back is just plain holographic plastic. And the zipper is rose gold. I mean, honestly, it's just beautiful. So that's the pouch. And then the next thing are some sticker seals, and so we have the bow sticker seals with the rose gold foil, and then we also have the moth sticker seals with the rose gold foil. I think this one is probably my favorite with the pink and the rose gold. It's just, again, gorgeous. And then here is the sticker kit. I didn't actually open this yet. And so we get, looks like 2 sheets and like a freebie size. So here is the 2 sheets. And of course, rose gold foil. And it looks like this one is a double box. And this one says keep growing, keep glowing. And then here's the second sheet. Just gorgeous. And then here's some more moths. And these look like half boxes over on the side and another full box. This is Enchanted. And then the magnet is next. And I don't know if there was any other options to this magnet, but I got the what looks like mint green and like a more like a yellow, and it's also rose gold foil. So pretty. And then we have the foiled sticky notes. I just love these. These are gorgeous. I really need to like figure out how to put them in my planner though, because I don't normally reach for sticky notes. So, and then another thing that I was really pleasantly surprised by was this rose gold cuff. So this is quite bendable to your wrist. So if you have a bigger wrist or a smaller wrist, it'll be able to fit you no matter what. But it's just this very simple leaf design in rose gold, and I love it. It's just beautiful. So that's that. And then the Enchanted Ink gel pen is this one, and it's ombre from like pink to this like periwinkle blue, and it does have the rose gold foil, and of course it has the Simply Gilded engraving on the pen cap. And then we also did get a Sakura Silver Shadow Jelly Roll, so I'm kind of excited to try this out. Maybe I'll use the stickers in my happy planner and use this pen to write down my plans for that week. And then the last, and honestly, the reason that most people get this subscription box is the washi. And I was just astounded by this washi. So the first thing that we have is the 10 and 15 millimeter bow washi, and this is like, I think it's more of like a coppery color versus a true rose gold. But correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not entirely sure. But the background of the tape is the color, and then the actual bows are like a white see-through color, and they're just gorgeous. And then we also have 10 and 15 millimeter Stardust Washi. And this I know is ombre from, it's really hard to see, but it's blue to purple, and it's got Stardust, which is the rose gold, and like a white, oh no, it looks like hollow Stardust. So that'll be pretty. I'm excited to use this like in October when it's got that like haunted vibe almost. I don't know. And then the last one is the Moth Washi. And I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to use this, to be honest. I think this was kind of, I mean, this is just a very specific washi roll, and I'm not sure if I will ever truly use this, but I might use this. I might do a month in my happy planner that is this theme. So I'm going to swatch these washi, and I will be right back. So here's all the washi that has been swatched, and I just love the colors, especially on this ombre Stardust. It's just, again, gorgeous. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help to grow my channel when people like my videos. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of videos coming in the fall and in the winter months, and I'm really excited about a lot of them. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.